Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, OBS updated, and the media file playable outside OBS, because broken files or outdated software break audio capture. Open Windows Sound Settings and pick a default device. This tells OBS where system sound flows. Once done, verify the media source is set to the same output device. Make sure to run OBS as the same user that plays the sound. Otherwise, you get permission and routing conflicts that mute the source. Now configure the media source inside OBS. Add or select the media source and uncheck hardware decoding if the file uses uncommon codecs. That prevents device mismatches. Next, enable Use Custom Audio Device and explicitly select the system output the file uses, because OBS won't grab it otherwise. Once configured, play the file while watching the OBS audio mixer. If you don't see levels, open Advanced Audio Properties and confirm the source is not muted or set. Finish by testing. Play the same file in VLC or your browser to confirm it produces sound, and then try switching OBS to capture Windows Stereo Mix if available. This consolidates system audio. If problems persist, reset OBS audio settings or create a fresh scene collection to eliminate misconfiguration. If still silent, check the audio device's advanced properties and disable exclusive mode, because exclusive access by another app can prevent OBS from hearing the stream. That usually resolves stubborn no-sound issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.